Okay, our team have five members, which is number one is Ahmad Haikal bin Abdul Rahim, DF220119. Number two is me, Ahmad Mushairi bin Marapi, DF220209. Number three is Muhammad Amirul Naim bin Hakimi, DF220080. Muhammad Afiq Daniel bin Abdul Halim, DF220159. And lastly is Muhammad Zuhaimi bin Kamis, DF220218. Okay, for about the program, a key area of civil engineering is structural engineering. This type of discipline involves the analysis and design to ensure that the structure are stable, strong, and functional. One of the common methods called moment distribution method, which is MDM, is able to produce significant result by distributing moment within a structure iteratively until equilibrium. At the same time, programming development has evolved and Python is now a general-purpose language for developing efficient and scalable applications. This report intends to give a detailed overview of the comprehensive understanding of both the moment distribution method in structural engineering and the application of Python programming in the development process. Through the merit of the tenet of structural analysis and modern programming, this venture aimed to exploiting Python power to simplify calculation pertaining to moment distribution method implementation. So it's called programming development that need to be done. In 5 stages of programming development, analysis design was the first followed by coding debugging and testing, with the last two being implementing application software. This process is also called PDLC.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Naim bin Hakimi, and next I will present about a flowchart symbol with net and function. The first one is we call as terminal, and its function is to indicate the beginning and the end of the program. The second one is input or output, and its function is to indicate the statement of gathering input and displaying output. The third one is we call as process, and its function is to indicate any type of internal operation, including data transformation and manipulation. The next symbol is decision. Decision is to evaluate a condition or expression that will produce a Boolean result, which is true or false. For symbol number 5 and number 6, we call it as connector, and it has two functions. The first one is join sections of a flowchart at a different page. We call it as off-page connector. And the second one is join sections of a flowchart on the same page, and we call it as on-page connector. And the last symbol is flow lines. Flow lines is an arrow indicates the direction of the progression of the program. Here are the general rules for constructing a flowchart. All symbols must be connected by flow lines. Each shape of the flowchart has their own meaning and representation. Use them properly to indicate each process in the program. Flow lines should enter the symbol from the top and exit the bottom, except for a decision symbol. For a decision, it can only have one flow line to enter with two flow lines out, which is indicated with true or false. In general, flowchart should be drawn from top to bottom. The beginning and the end of flowchart is indicated using the terminal symbol.